Welcome back to Temco Parts Washers. Temco is proud to announce our newest product, the TL3 Top Load Parts Washer. The TL3 features a 22-inch, 500-pound capacity turntable with 17 inches of working height, powered by a half-horsepower pump producing 45 gallons per minute at 50 psi. Temco offers the TL3 in single phase, 120 volt 15 amp, 220 volt, and additionally in 208 volt 3 phase, all for the same low price. The TL3 provides the ultimate in portability, featuring 5-inch industrial casters and can be located next to the source of those dirty parts. The TL3 features a heat cycle timer, the 60-minute wash cycle timer, automatic and manual turntable selector switch, a bi-directional spray bar, a small parts basket, and an automatic oil skimmer with waste bucket. The TL3 is made in the USA and is built with the same exceptional quality that 30 years of Temco customers have come to expect. The TL3 will carry the same best in industry 2-year parts warranty and limited 10-year cabinet warranty. So check out the TL3 and its special introductory pricing at washparts.com.